Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about how to find trending effects on Instagram. So first open your Instagram and then click on the add button in the center, and now you have select reels and select camera. As you will see effects on the laptop side, click on effects, and here you will see all the trending effects, and you can use it in your video like I am using. Just click on the effect and it will be sprayed on your video. So that's a very simple way to use these effects, and you can also use these to improve your video and increase traffic to your chat to your ID. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.